Hi to all my fellow wannabe cryptonaires, my name is DeDe and let's get that crypto. Before we get started on today's video, here's a quick little reminder to subscribe to my channel and throw a little like down there for me. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step as I complete an airdrop from beginning to end. If you are not sure what a crypto airdrop is or would like to find out more first, check out my earlier video titled Crypto Airdrops aka Free Money, what you need to know and how to get started to bring you up to speed. I'll leave you a link in the description below. I have chosen to do CoTrader's airdrop today as it does require a larger than normal quantity of tasks to be completed, and it also uses a Telegram bot as part of its registration. If you're interested in doing this airdrop today, I'll leave you a link below. This airdrop pays 2,500 COT tokens with an estimated value of US $5. Plus you can earn an additional $2.50 for each referral, which is paid directly into your Ethereum wallet. Now let's say it takes you 5 minutes to complete this airdrop. That equates to $60 per hour, not bad. It's not going to make you a cryptonaire overnight, I know, but every little bit counts. Plus, you don't know what these tokens will be worth once they are launched. Now, depending on when you watch this video, this airdrop could very well no longer be available. But this will at least give you a good overview of what's involved. So let's get started. My first step is always to visit the website, have a look around and get to know a bit about the project. This is not really essential. As I mentioned in my previous video, as you are not investing any money, only your time. If you want, you can spend a bit of time checking out the ICO. But what you will find, it will take you more time to check it out than what it will do to complete the airdrop. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get this airdrop rocking and rolling. Head over to the link here. All right, I can see straight away it's taking us to Telegram, and it's a referral bot. So what actually happens is, if I've already set this up and I'll go send message, and opens up is the little Telegram launch application on my computer. So if I open the link, it opens on Telegram, is now opening. All right. CoTrader referral bot. Now, I have to see down here in this particular one, you'll often see join or start. So it's always down the bottom here when you join in Telegram the first time. So if I click start, now this is actually a bot. So this is totally being automated via Telegram. And here we have a little message. Welcome to CoTrader. Thank you for being here and supporting us. All right. Now, in order to join and receive the free CoTrader tokens, we'll take you through a few steps. First, let us ask you a couple of questions to verify that you aren't a bot. Okay. What is the name of our company? All right. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, or CoTrader? All right. Nice job. The next question is simple. What is CoTrader's goal? Pretty sure it's the middle one. All right, so now we go. Let's start with an easy one. Join our Telegram group. Join the CoTrader chat. And then tap here after joining us. So if we click here, and that's down there now. All right, and as you can sort of see, I have to join. So if I join here, and I'm automatically joined, and seeing I can write a message, I always just sort of say hi everyone, just so that it's easy for them to sort of see is that I have joined. Now I have to go back here, and it says tap here after joining us. So I've done that. Now next. Great. Please enter your email so we can send you your tokens and the latest CoTrader updates. You can confirm later. Crypto Empires at, yep, there we go. All right. We've sent you a confirmation email. Please verify your email address by clicking on the link in the email. Now please follow us on Twitter. Let's just go and see if our email... All right, I'm at my email address here, and we can sort of say here's their email that they've just sent us. So click on that. Thank you for joining. Click here to confirm your email address. You will get your tokens here. Token distribution news here. So if I click here, and that will verify my email address. Open links so we can follow and like and retweet here. So, and then come back here and tap. So here now it's going to open Twitter up for me. All right, all I have to do is follow. It automatically can see that I'm logged in. So all I have to do is follow. Go back to the Telegram group. All right, and retweet this tweet. All right, so it's already opened up on the tweet. So a retweet is as simple as doing that. That's always, usually you can tell. Look, 6.9 thousand retweets. You can sort of see how well this marketing campaign is working for this company, this new ICO. All right, it's got 8,400 likes, and it's got 6,900 retweets and 1,100 comments. All right, so let's go back to the Telegram bot. All right, tap here after following us. So now I can tap here. All right, we will verify now that you have followed us on Twitter. Please enter your Twitter and username without the A. All right. So it's now going to let me, my email was successfully verified. Now they want my Twitter name. Now this is why you are going to need all your information somewhere you can quickly copy and paste. So it's actually asking for my Twitter username. So my Twitter username is, all right, there it is. Copy that and paste that in there. And now they can verify. All right. Okay, please follow us on Facebook. So now we go to the Facebook. And it automatically is opening up onto their page. Like their page as my page. The name of my page is called DeDe Cryptonaire. And come on over and like my page. So I'm going to submit that now. Okay. Go back to the Telegram group. And what are they asking for? Follow us on Facebook. Tap here after liking. Now please share our Facebook page. Like and share this Facebook post. All right, so now we're going to do that. Click that there. I'm going to like. And what else did they want to know? Like and share. And I'm going to share this one. Share to my page. Okay. That is done. Now I can go tap here after sharing. All right, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now I click on that and we are going to YouTube. 18,000 people have subscribed. We have to like and subscribe and like this video. So I have to subscribed, done, and I've liked this video and I've liked. Go back to the Telegram group, tap here after right. Alright, referable. You can now follow us on Medium, clap and follow this article. It will open up in Medium. Alright, so now we can follow. And there's the clap over here. Clap on that, yep. Let's give them another clap. Alright, then tap on here after following us. Subscribe, share and comment on Reddit. Now that's going to open up on Reddit. Here we are in Reddit. And we're going to have to subscribe. Alright, so there we go, save. Alright, looks like a great project. There's my name there. Okay, you can just sort of see that's there. I've just done that one. Submitted just now. So we'll now go back to the Telegram bot. Tap here after subscribing. Follow and like us on Instagram. Follow and like on Instagram. Here we go, CoTrader.com. Look at this, 11,000 likes. You can just sort of see this marketing working for them. Follow and like this Instagram post. Look, have a look. They've got 14,000 likes and only done 5 posts. It makes you wonder why they actually why they want us to do that. But anyway, not us to judge. We're just here to get the money. That's it. Please enter your Ethereum wallet address. so you can receive your CoinTrader tokens. So okay, now I go back over here, and there's this is my public address, and this is what I do now is I will pop that in here. Okay, and done. All right. Amazing. Thank you for joining us. The tokens will be distributed later this year. Stay tuned for more information on our official Telegram group. Want more CoTrader tokens for free? Share your referral link with your friends. Here is your referral link. All right, so here we go. This is my referral link. I'm going to copy that. And this is where I also go back over here now. And I am actually going to put my referral link in here. Put in today's date. The name of the coin was CoTrader. All right, the airdrop is going to be later this year. We haven't got a date. We've got, let's go back to the Telegram group. Copy and share your link in your community. So each referral will give me 2,500 tokens. And stays in the group. So you can't leave the group, okay? Just don't worry about it. I just stay in the group and I just make sure everything's muted. So let's go back over here. So I also put in comments. I also put in the value. All right, and so that's just about it. That's one airdrop done. Okay, to check your balance, type balance. For any questions regarding the airdrop, please ask in the group or email us. We're going to have a bonus section for you to earn more tokens. We also have group news. All right, join the group. All right, just to keep updated. And where's the other one? So they've actually got 3 different Telegram groups happening here. Look, round 1, I've got 2,500 tokens. Sweet. Okay, there we go. And that's it. That's actually one complete airdrop done. Okay, Cryptonaires, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and throw a little like love on this video for me. Feel free to reach out and ask questions or leave a comment. Let's get that crypto, and I'll catch you all in my next video.